Hello everyone. Today we are going to do another question of Olympiad, in which question is root of 1, under root of 2, under root of 3, under root of 4. So you can see here, so there are first root inside is under root 4, then after that root of 4, whole root of 3, then root of 2, then root of 1. So it means this root is these all numbers inside in this root, okay. So we need to find the value of x. Find x. So how to find this x value? First of all, we will square both sides, squaring both sides, left hand side and right hand side. So root of 1, root of 2, root of 3, then this root again inside is root of 4. So root over root is continuous. So we will square both sides. So you can see this square cancel out the first this root. So we have only 1 remaining, and inside is root 2. Then this root inside is root 3, and this root 3 inside is again root 4. And here you can see we will do the square. So 2 multiplied by x by exponent law, it is 2x. By we are using the law a raised to the power m whole power n. Power to power, it will multiply. So it is a mn. We will apply in this law. Okay, after that we are squaring both sides again. Both sides squaring. So again we will write squaring both sides. Now you can see this 1 square is the 1, okay. So this root 2, this square cancel this root, so only 2 is the remaining, and this 1 square is the 1. So we will not write this 1. So this root is cancelled out by this square. So 2 is remaining, and inside portion is root 3 under root of 4. And here 2 2 ja 4. 24 power 4x. After that again we are using squaring both sides. So 2 3 root of 4 squaring both sides again. So this 2 square is the 4, or this root is cancelled out by this square. This square root is cancelled out by this square. So 3 root 4 is remaining, and here 4 2s are 8x. Now you can see we have 1 2 3 4 roots in this question, and now you can see only one root is remaining, and this root 4 we are not doing now squaring both sides, because already we know that this 4, can we write this 4 2 square? So this square is cancel out this square root. 4 3s are 12. This square is cancel out this square root, so it will become 2. It will become 2, and 4 3s are 12, and here 24 8x. Now you can see 12 2s is 24. 24 equal to 24 power 8x, and here the power is 1, and right hand side the power is 8x, and the base are the same both left hand side and right hand side. So if the base are the same both side, so we can compare the power. So 1 equal to 8x. So the 8 value is this 1 equals to 8x. So x value is 1 by 8. So this is our answer. So how to verify this answer, your answer is correct or not? We will do the verification also. So here we will start the verification. So x value is 1 by 8. So the right hand side 24 power is the x, and left hand side is 24 power 1 by x value is 1 by 8. then we will split this root of 1. Root of 1 is always 1. So this root of 1 is 1. So we have only root 2. This one, root 1 is 1. So we will write root 2, then root 3 and root 4 and 24 power 1 by 8. After that we will split each term, root 2, root 3, root 4. So this root 2 whole, here the whole root also. So we will write this root 2 and above is root 2 also. After that you can see that this 3 number, this 3 have 3 roots. How? This one and this one. 3 roots for root 3. So we are using 3 roots, then write 3. Now see the number 4. 4 have 1, 2, 3, 4 roots. So we will make the 4 roots for this 4. And right hand side is 24 power is 1 by 8. Now after that 2 power, this root value everybody knows, if the root 2. Can we write this root 2 is this, instead of this root we can write 1 by 2. Power is 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2 instead of this root. So here you can see there are 2 roots. So it means, what do you understand by this term? This root meaning is 1 by 2. After that one root is also above this root 2. So we will write 2 power 1 by 2 and this root also 1 by 2. So you can see 2 power 2 2 ja 4. 2 power 1 by 4. So in this term, instead of this term, we can write 2 power 1 by 4. And similarly 3. How many roots are here? 1 root, 2 root, 3 root. So 1 root is equal to power 1 by 2. So 2 root is equal to 1 by 4 and 3 root is equal to 1 by 8. You can see if we have 3 root continuous. So this root value is 1 by 2, this root value is 1 by 2 and this root value is 1 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So we will write 3 power 1 by 8. Similarly here the root is 4 root. So you can write here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 4 and it is 1 by there are 3 roots na, to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now you can see here is also 1 2 3 4 roots. So we will write 1 by, see how many root are here? 1 2 3 4. So 4 2 ja, you can see 1 4, there are 4 roots na. So 1 value is 1 by 2, again 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 16, we are writing here 16 because there are 4 root. Now right hand side is as it is. Now see these terms. This one is as it is. This one is also as it is. First we will simplify this term. Can we write this 4 is the 2 square? 1 by 16. So it is 2 8 ja 16. 24 power 1 by 8. After that two power 1 by 4, 3 power 1 by 8 and here 2 power 1 by 8 equals to 24 power 1 by 8. Now the power is 1 by 8, 1 by 8 and 1 by 4. So first of all we will solve these base. Two base are same, both base are same. If the base are same, so power should be added, this one and this one. So 2 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 into 3 power 1 by 8 equals to 24 power 1 by 8. So 4 and 8 LCM is 8. 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja. So 3 power 1 by 8 equals to 24 power 1 by 8. So 4 2s are 8, 2 plus 1 is the 3. We'll take the LCM. So 3 by 8 into 3 power 1 by 8 equals to 24 power 1 by 8. After that, you can see, can we write this 2 power 3 by 8? 2 cube 2 power 3 by 8, we will write 2 cube power 1 by 8. If you multiply it, 3 into 1 by 8 will get again 3 by 8. And here 3 power is 1 by 8 equals to 24 power 1 by 8. Now you can see this is 2 cube. 2 cube we will write 8. 8 power 1 by 8 into 3 power 1 by 8 equals to 24 power 1 by 8. If the powers are same, so can we multiply this by the law of exponent? See, a power m, okay, into b power n. So if the power is same, this power, m and m, both powers are same but base are different. So in this case, we will multiply these base and we will write this power whole power m. Similarly, 8 and 3 we will write like this, and the power is we will write only one time, and 24 power 1 by 8. Now you can see 8 3 is a 24 power 1 by 8 and 24 power 1 by 8. It is verified. So hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.